corporations, banks, and yes, even the government, are all playing a game with your money. And the worst part? Most of us never even knew there were rules. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you 4 specific tricks being used against everyday Americans right now. Tricks designed to quietly drain your wallet while you're busy just trying to live your life. I'm not here to make you paranoid. I'm here to make you dangerous. Because once you see these, you can't be fooled by them again. Let's start with something that's happening in your kitchen right now. You grab your usual bag of chips at the grocery store. Same brand, same price, maybe even $1 cheaper. But something feels off. The bag looks the same, but it's lighter. You're getting less. That's shrinkflation. And it's one of the oldest tricks in the book. Instead of raising the price, which you'd notice, companies quietly shrink the product. Same packaging, same shelf position, smaller amount. A 2023 study found that over 3,500 products in U.S. grocery stores had shrunk in size, while prices stayed flat or went up. Chips, cereal, toilet paper, coffee, nothing is off limits. Why do they do it? Because our brains are wired to notice price tags, not ounces. They know that. And they use it. The fix: start buying by unit price, not shelf price. Most grocery stores show the price per ounce right on the label. That number doesn't lie. On-screen text. Unit price equals the only number that matters. Now let's talk about credit cards, specifically the little number at the bottom of your statement that says minimum payment due. That number is not there to help you. It is engineered to keep you in debt as long as possible. Here's what I mean. Say you have $5,000 in credit card debt at 20% interest, which is close to the current U.S. average. Your minimum payment might be around $100 a month. Sounds manageable, right? If you only pay the minimum, it will take you over 9 years to pay that off. And you'll pay nearly $7,000 in interest alone. On a $5,000 debt, you'll pay more in interest than you originally borrowed. Credit card companies make billions, literally billions, from people who don't know this. They're not rooting for you to pay it off fast. Slow is profitable. The fix: pay more than the minimum every single month. Even an extra $50 makes a massive difference. Use a free debt payoff calculator. I'll link one in the description to see exactly how much faster you'll be free. On-screen text. Minimum payment equals maximum profit for them. You got a raise. Congrats, you earned it. Now let me ask you something. Where did that money go? For most Americans, a raise doesn't build wealth. It funds a lifestyle upgrade. Nicer apartment, newer car, more subscriptions, better restaurants. This is called lifestyle inflation. And it's not an accident that it happens. It's manufactured. Every time your income goes up, you are immediately targeted with ads, social media content, and cultural pressure telling you to spend it. The system is designed to make sure your expenses always rise to meet your income, or exceed it. The result? You earn more than you ever have, and somehow still feel broke. The average American household income has risen significantly over the last 20 years. So has the average American's debt load. The fix: treat raises like they're invisible for 30 days. Before you upgrade anything, put the extra cash somewhere it can't be touched. A Roth IRA, a high-yield savings account, your emergency fund. Let it sit. Then decide if you actually need the upgrade. On-screen text. More income is not equal to more wealth. The gap between them is the game. Last one, and this one affects every single dollar you have, whether you know it or not. You've probably heard the phrase the Fed raised interest rates. Maybe you nodded along. Maybe you changed the channel. Here's what it actually means for you. The Federal Reserve, the U.S. central bank, controls the baseline interest rate for the entire country. When they raise it, borrowing gets more expensive. Your credit card APR goes up. Car loans get pricier. Mortgages become harder to afford. But here's the part they don't say clearly. When rates are high, the people who already have money win. Their savings accounts and bonds pay more. Meanwhile, people who need to borrow, most working Americans, pay more for everything. It's not a conspiracy. It's just how the system is built. And it benefits those who already have assets. The fix: you can't fight the federal, but you can position yourself to win regardless. When rates are high, park your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. Many are currently paying 4 to 5% APY. That's free money. Use the system's rules against itself. So there it is, shrinkflation, the minimum payment trap, lifestyle inflation, and the Fed rate game. For real things being used against your wallet right now. Here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment below and tell me, which one of these hit hardest? Which one did you not see coming? And if this was useful, like and hit subscribe to Dollar Current. I'm figuring this stuff out in real time, just like you, and I'm sharing everything I find. New videos every day. Don't miss what's coming next. I'll see you there.